When it comes to upgrading your home, replacing or installing a new door can make a significant difference in both its functionality and curb appeal. While some homeowners may consider DIY installation to save money, opting for professional door installation in Glendale offers a wide range of benefits that ensure quality, safety, and long-term satisfaction. From securing your home to enhancing energy efficiency, professional door installation is a worthwhile investment that pays off in many ways. In this article, we'll explore the top 5 reasons why professional door installation is the best choice for Glendale homeowners. Expertise and precision. One of the main reasons to choose professional door installation is the expertise that comes with hiring experienced professionals. Proper installation is crucial for a door to function correctly, provide security, and ensure energy efficiency. Professionals have the skills and knowledge needed to handle every aspect of the installation process, from measuring the door frame to ensuring the door is perfect. An improperly installed door can lead to a host of issues, including drafts, water leaks, and difficulty opening and closing the door. Professional installers understand the nuances of different door types and materials, whether you're installing a front door, patio door, or interior door. They can also assess your home's structure and make any necessary adjustments to ensure that the new door fits seamlessly. Enhanced security is a top priority for most homeowners, especially in a city like Glendale, where peace of mind is crucial. A poorly installed door can be an easy point of entry for burglars, leaving your home vulnerable to break-ins. Professional installers know how to properly secure your door, ensuring that it operates smoothly and that the locking mechanisms are aligned and functioning properly. Professionals will also install high-quality locks, reinforced frames, and other security features to ensure that your door provides maximum protection. If you're upgrading to a steel or fiberglass entry door for extra security, a professional installation ensures that the door is mounted securely and provides reliable protection against forced entry. With a professionally installed door, you'll have confidence that your home is safer, and that your new door will be an effective deterrent against potential intruders. Improved energy efficiency. Energy-efficient door helps maintain a comfortable temperature inside your home by preventing air from escaping and entering. Properly installed doors, however, can create gaps around the frame, allowing drafts to seep in. This results in higher energy bills for HVAC systems where it's harder to regulate the temperature. Professional door installation ensures that your door is properly sealed and aligned, maximizing its insulating properties. Many professionals also offer energy-efficient doors with features such as double or triple glazing, low-E coatings, and insulated frames, which help reduce heat loss and increase energy savings. By choosing professional installation, you can rest assured that your new door will contribute to lower energy costs and enhance your home's overall energy efficiency. Saves time and reduces stress. Door installation can be a time-consuming and complicated process, especially if you lack the necessary tools and experience. The time it takes to remove the old door, properly install the new one, and ensure everything is level and secure can be overwhelming for someone unfamiliar with the process. By hiring professionals, you save valuable time and avoid the frustration of a DIY project. Professional installers come equipped with the tools and expertise needed to complete the job efficiently. They can handle any challenges that arise during the installation process, ensuring that everything is done correctly and quickly. Additionally, you won't need to worry about troubleshooting or dealing with potential setups. You can sit back and relax while the professionals take care of the installation from start to finish. Warranty and long-term benefits. Most professional door installation companies offer warranties on both the products they install and the labor they provide. This means that if anything goes wrong with your door, such as a defect or installation issue, you're covered. Warranties give homeowners peace of mind knowing that their investment is protected. In contrast, DIY installation usually doesn't come with a warranty, leaving you to cover the costs of any repairs or reinstallation. With professional installation, you're assured of long-term benefits, knowing that your door will function properly and last for years to come. Professional installers also provide after-sales support, so if you ever have any concerns or need maintenance advice, they're there to help. Conclusion. Choosing professional door installation in Glendale offers a wide range of benefits that go beyond just installing a door. From expert precision and enhanced security to improved energy efficiency and long-term savings, professional installers ensure that your door performs optimally and adds value to your home. Whether you're upgrading to a more secure front door, replacing outdated patio doors, or installing a beautiful new interior door, professional installation is the best choice for ensuring the job is done right. With the expertise, experience, and warranties provided by professionals, you'll have peace of mind knowing your door will provide reliable performance for years to come. Investing in professional door installation is an investment in your home's safety, comfort, and aesthetic appeal. If you're ready to enhance your home's functionality and appearance, reach out to a trusted professional door installer in Glendale today.